Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up fingerprint recognition on your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X. First, open Start and go to Settings. In Settings, select Accounts. Then scroll down to Sign In Options. Select Fingerprint Recognition. Then tap Setup next to use your fingerprint to sign in to Windows apps and services. Tap Get Started. Provide your PIN code into the following field. And then touch the power button, which is your fingerprint sensor, and start moving your finger slightly along on the surface of the power button, adding different parts of your finger like this at the edges. And once you see the all set window, tap Close, and now we can lock the screen of our ASUS. And now let's try to use fingerprint to unlock it, and as you can see, everything works perfectly fine. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.